Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin in the Outlook desktop app, open a new email, and check the From field is visible. If it is hidden, go to the Options tab and click From to enable it so you can choose a sender. Once done, click the From drop-down and scan available accounts. This step matters because Outlook defaults to the account tied to the current folder. Showing the From field lets you override that default quickly and safely. Now select the account you want to send from using the From menu, choose an entry or pick other email address to type a different sender. If you need a shared mailbox, enter the shared address exactly as it appears in Exchange, because small differences prevent delivery. Make sure your permissions match. Send as replaces your name, while Send on behalf keeps both names. The distinction affects how recipients see the sender and whether you must request admin rights. Finish by sending the message and then verify with a quick test to confirm recipients see the intended sender. If sending fails or the From reverts, clear cached credentials and retry, because stale sign-ins often block alternate senders. Next, review account permissions in File Right Arrow Account Settings or ask your admin to grant send as or send on behalf rights. If problems persist, restart Outlook and try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.